tror kanskje det er verdt det for min del, fordi vi må kjøre på nytt. Fordi 6,1 ja, du må bare kjøre på nytt, tror jeg. Og så tror jeg du må ta noen timer til. Noe som har sånn obligatoriske greier. Kanskje det er sånn.
Good, so maybe we can start. I would like to start with something that Shabby shared it with me 5 months ago. It's sort of nice summary, as you see, of what we are doing here. So actually, as you see here, this is the data. So this is the data that we are collecting. It just has no meaning. And then we try to cluster it somehow in order to understand what's this. Maybe we can connect it, get some knowledge out of it. Maybe we can highlight some important point, like get insight, connect it together, wisdom, and maybe we can get with some strange shape from outside. So, good. Some of you are attending this sustainability science lecture, and during the last lecture, when we start to study this planetary boundary, we saw how much is complex and connected, and we do need such things in order to understand how everything is connected to each other. Great. Good. So. First of all, I do apologize that I was not with you all the time last workshop. I hope that you spend the full time in a productive way. I don't know, did you find any challenge during the workshop this Monday or Tuesday?
Yeah, perhaps I'll talk to you.
Yes, I didn't actually look at this yet.
Yeah.
Yeah, but we actually there is something also I would like to highlight later with the other group.
Yeah.
But in general, you think that this data management plan is going on?
Yeah,
right?
we'll see.
Yeah. Actually, today homework, I start to check it, and it's also data management plan. So we still have time to deliver the data management plan. When you would like to deliver this data management plan as a group?
The data management plan includes the tasks that we were doing last class, right?
Yes. So you have to deliver a document, 2 pages or so, to say that the data management plan of the material that will be produced from this course, from the different workshop, how you will deal with it.
And also the small paragraph of the papers and the
yes, the reflection, the previous one.
Yeah.
Yes. So actually, just to recap, we now will start the second module. We finished the first module already. For the first module, you have 3 exercises. Okay, one of them I can see most of you already delivered. The first exercise, I didn't check it yet, but I can see most of you deliver this home assignment, which is about the reflection on the future of big data and how we can use big data and so on. And then we have 2 other exercises, group exercises. One of them is to discuss this report among yourself and write like short group notes, and then the data management.
Yeah. What if we deliver it before the next workshop?
It's up to you.
Yeah.
I give you the flexibility to choose the time.
Yeah. That would be great. So we like finish this work
Before we start, because we
Yeah,
start.
perhaps the day before or the same day as the next workshop is.
So you agree, or?
Sorry, I didn't catch that.
Like the same day or the day before the next workshop.
But this means that this should be Monday or Tuesday.
Yeah.
Okay, which one? Because I can see that you still have two deliverables. One of them is this group comment on the future, the first one, and the second one is a data management plan.
But also in the first assignment, we were supposed to
Write a short
write
paragraph.
yeah.
Maybe after the next workshop.
Yeah, because we have the group discussion kind of thing that's due to this Sunday, isn't it?
And it says on the next workshop, data management plan part 2.
Yes. So you still have next workshop as well if you would like.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then yeah, great.
If you would like.
Yeah.
Okay. But it will not be fully for data management plan. So we will try to go a bit what we will have or what we will get today.
Maybe deliver the same day as the workshop.
Mm.
In the evening.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we can go here and set up the data management plan. This is the lever for data management plan, right?
Mm.
Okay. Data management plan, and then we can go down.
Sorry, is this one, is that the one with 5 questions that we started on a few days ago? Or is that a new one? This is the data management plan. Yeah, okay. So we haven't started on that one. No, but it's for the same data. For the future plan. Yeah.
Should be set up from somewhere here. I will do this later. No. Okay. We can come back to the module. Okay. So actually, I would like to start our lecture today with this more explanation. Good. And you will find here in this more explanation, it's already online. You will find here video how to download Anaconda, how to download Spark, and how to work with start with Python. Because I know that some of you has not great knowledge in Python programming, so we'll start step by step. So the first video that you will find in this module is how to set up Anaconda. This is the one that we will use. Actually, it's very simple. You will go to this link, Anaconda to download. And then you go and download. And once you download the Anaconda, you can open it from here. After you downloading it, take a second. Once you open it, you will find here the different editor that we can use or you can use. Normally I will use Spider, this one. Okay, it's already there. But when you will open it, since you will open for the first time, you will find it as uninstalled. So you need to just search for Spider and install it. If you like to work with another editor, like for example Jupyter, for example, or the Visual Studio Code, you can just launch it. or you can set up. So Spider, Visual Studio Code, or Jupyter, all of them is doing the same work. Great. Good. So now we can start actually with our last workshop, because I can see there is a challenge that you found or you had, and this challenge actually is good start for us today. So some of you last time tried to open the CSV file of your data, good, using Excel, and then you find this problem that this decimal, so sometimes when you have number like 5.6 or 5-6, sometimes the Excel can read this or can't read this or otherwise, right? And then some of you succeeded to open the file in the Excel as one cell. So the file was like this. This is the Excel file. And then you just enter all the information in the file in this cell. So it was like, if I remember, Apple 2010, and then the number which is 5.6. Right? And then you change this from dot to apostrophe, and then you start to divide the column into 3 columns. So once you divide it, it's become Apple 10 5.6. Right? Good. Actually, the problem here is that why you have this challenge, simply because of the data type. So here, this column includes this information, and Excel read it as a number. Here, the number is existing in the same cell, but actually Excel read all the cell as a character or as a string. Good. And I think this is a good start for today's lecture. So today's lecture is about the data types. What is the difference between the different data type in general, and different data types that used by Python. So actually we have 2 types of data. We have qualitative and quantitative. So if we have data, this data can be qualitative or quantitative. Qualitative is text, okay? And quantitative is numbers. For the text or for the quantitative, we have 2 types. We have ordinal and we have nominal. And for the numbers, we have continuous numbers and this. This will be in the presentation, so you don't need to write a lot. So, what's the difference between this? We can start with the ordinal qualitative. So if we say, for example, it's text. If we say small and big, medium. So small, big, and medium. It's string. So if I ask you to sort it, can you sort it? Okay, so
Small, medium, big.
small, medium, and big. Agree? So actually, the ordinal qualitative is data, text, but you can sort it. So if we say for the nominal countries, Norway, US, India, Austria. And now I ask you, can you sort this? You can sort it. Right? Good. Now we can go to the second type of data, the numbers. We have continuous and discrete. So continuous number, this is something that you can divide it. Discrete number, you can't divide it. How many students here in this room? Not shabby. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is good, yeah. 7 without shabby. Okay. If I ask you, I need to have like